Welcome to this week's edition of Hematology and Blood Cancer Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by LucidQuest. The FDA has granted accelerated approval to Lynozyfic, or linvoseltamab-gcpt, for relapsed or refractory multiple myeloma. It's the first BCMA cross-CD3 bispecific antibody approved with response-adapted dosing. In the Phase 1-2 linker MM1 trial, the therapy showed a 70% overall response and 45% complete response. Due to risks like cytokine release syndrome and neurotoxicity, it remains under a REMS program. CHMP has endorsed minimal residual disease negativity as an early endpoint for conditional approval in myeloma trials. Strong correlations were seen with improved progression-free and overall survival. This aligns with the FDA's unanimous ODAC vote in April 2024. The FDA has also dropped REMS requirements for all CD19 and BCMA-directed CAR-T cell therapies, including Abecma, Breyanzi, Carvykti, Yescarta, Tecartus, and Kymriah. Treatment burdens are eased, with driving restrictions reduced to 2 weeks and proximity monitoring halved. Long-term safety monitoring continues. A real-world study of Duvelisib and Romidepsin in relapsed or refractory T-cell lymphomas showed 61% overall and 47% complete response. In nodal T follicular helper subtypes, response was 82%. 11 patients bridged to transplant. Safety was manageable. A novel interleukin-18 secreting CAR-T therapy has shown promise in B-cell lymphomas post-CD19 treatment failure. Over 80% responded, 52% achieved complete remission. Some had durable responses lasting over 2 years. No new safety issues observed. At UF Scripps, scientists developed a new antibody-drug conjugate for diffuse large B-cell lymphoma. It links an antibody to tianzimicin, a soil-derived cytotoxin. The double-decker construct kills cancer cells while sparing healthy ones. Animal testing is next. Germany has treated its first hemophilia B patient with Hemgenix gene therapy. The single-dose therapy enables natural factor IX production. In the HOPE-B trial, 94% of patients remained off prophylaxis at 4 years. Reimbursement is tied to long-term outcomes. India has launched Phenomi India, a national biobank and longitudinal study collecting genetic and lifestyle data from 10,000 people. It supports personalized medicine, AI-based diagnostics, and indigenous CRISPR and rare disease research. Japanese researchers have created a shelf-stable artificial blood compatible with all blood types. It stores at room temperature and showed no serious side effects in early trials. It may transform trauma and emergency care globally. An Ethiopian study has identified 30-day mortality risk factors in febrile neutropenia. Most patients had ALL or AML, ICU admission, prior neutropenic fever, chest infections, and limited antifungal access were key predictors. AI continues advancing hematology. It now supports imaging, diagnostics, trial matching, and documentation. The chief model reached 96% accuracy across cancer types. Data sharing and interoperability remain challenges. Stay ahead in hematology and blood cancer research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.